Hello everyone. I want to explain the Jafina and Sap question. In this question, Jafina has two sequences with the same length, A1 to AN and B1 to BN. Now as a identical after they are sorted in non-decreasing order. Identical means the word identical means ith element of one sequence is equal to the ith element of other sequence for each I operation. Now we have to make this sequences identical. So I have to make perform operation 0 or more times. I have to choose two integer from array 1 and from array 2 I and j and swap ai and bj. The cost of each such operation is minimum of ai and bj. You have to find the minimum total cost with which f can make the two sequences identical. So in this question, I have make the sequence identical and perform the many times operation using a given condition. I have to explain the test cases. 3 shows the number of a test cases and 1. Next one shows the number of length of two array because the length of two array is equal already. So number of a length is 1, so elements is 1 or 2. This 1 and 2 and this 1 and 2 never be identical, so I have to return -1 and this again length 2, this is a length 2, 1 2 and 2 1, so they are identical if I have to sort it, and 1 2 1 2 they are sorted, but they actually say sorting is not an actual cost, so they return the 0. And this 1 1 and 2 2, this make a identical, so I have to choose index 1 from array 1 and I have to choose index 0 from array 2 and swap. So arrays 1 2 and 1 2 and 1 2, so this is a minimum cost is 1. I have to take another example and explain valid test cases, which is very important test cases. So I have to explain those test cases. I have to take 10 length example array which is elements is 1 1 2 3 3 5 5 6 6 6 7, and this 2 3 3 3 3 5 5 6 7 7 7. Okay, now you have to see this array proper and you have to find this one if extra from first array and they transfer to second array. So the element is transfer is 1 in the second array and 3 is 2 is the next array is 6 6 4. So divided into equal part, then the 3 move to upper part. So this is 3 and it in this side 6 and this side is 7. So I have to transfer this 4 elements. If I have to choose this one with this 7, so according to this cost is minimum is 1 and 3 and 6 cost is 3. So cost minimum cost is 4. If I have to transfer 1 or 6, because they are same array, so they not need to be transferred, but we have to transfer 1 or 3 cost is 1 and 6 or 7 cost is 6. So 1 or 6, the cost approximately is 7, which is also not minimum. Exact solution of this cost minimum is 3. How? I explain. If this one transfer with this 3, so this and this one, correct? Now 1 and 3 cost is 1. So now minimum cost is 1. Now I have to transfer this 6 or 7. So firstly I have to take this one and swap with this 7. So the minimum cost is 1 and 7 is 1. If I have to take this one above this 6, then the transfer is again and the 7 comes, the 6 comes before, and the cost is 1 equal to 3 and they are identical. How identical? I have to sort again and see. This is a identical sequence. This is the identical sequence. Yes, identical. So minimum cost is 3. Now I have to explain how to implement this functionality in the code. So I have to make two map, map A for array 1, map B for array 2, and map which is the combination of a map A and map B, that is array A and array B. So 1 respect to 2, 2 respect to 1, 3 respect to 2, 5 respect to 2, 6 respect to 3, and 7 respect to 1. Make another map, 2 respect to 1, 3 respect to 4, 5 respect to 2, 6 respect to 1, and 7 respect to 3. Make a map, total map according to map A and map B, 1 respect to 2, 2 respect to 2, 3 respect to 6, 5 respect to 4, 6 respect to 4, and 7 respect to 4. This is a my map A, map B, and this is a actual map. So now I have to check all valid cases. Like if map A equal to map B, then I have to return 0 because they already are identical in nature. But I have to see -1 test case. If my element, this one is -1 and this element is 3. So any key value respect to value is odd, then I have to return -1 because this 3 never be divided into two parts, two equal parts. So they return -1. Otherwise, they again proceed to follow the condition. So they make the fix. All the in this map, final map, in this all the elements of the key is even. So now I have to move the again part. Now I have to do one more important task. I have to take map A and using the array of B. This B convert this map A by removing -1. How? Let's see. 1 times 2. 1 times 2 and 2 times 1. This is no need. 1 is not present in map B. No need. It's 2 times 1 and 2 times 1. So this 1 minus this 1 is 0. So now they become 0 and they become 2. Now this 3. 3 is 2 value and 3 4 respect to 2 minus 4 minus 2. Got it? Okay. Now 5 2 and 5 2. This got it is 0. So and this 6 3 and 6 1, that is 2. And 7 1 and 7 3 is -2. Okay. Same, convert this map B from map A and array A, both like same, but use this value, not this updated value. So this value is not presented. So map 2 1 is equal to 0, 3 4 2 5 2 0, and 6 1 minus 3 minus 2, and 7 3 is 2. Got it? Now okay. Now what to do? I have divided map A value by 2 and map B value divided by 2. So this become 1 times, this become 0, this become -1, this become 0, this become 1, and this -1. Same this 0, this is 1, this is -1, this is 1. And I have to make a 2 list from map list A from map A, list B from map B, and take greater than 0 value from list A and list B. List A, list A greater than 0 is 1. So this key value, I have to store the key value, and this 6. So 1 comma 6. I have to explain one important test case again. If this value is 4 and divided by 2 is 2, so I have to add 6 is 2 times, because the value is 2. If 6 is 4, then add in 4 times. So this is also important in this question. Again, I have to make a list B, and list B I have to take 3 and 7. So 3 and 7. And I have to, this is the ascending order, this is the descending order. So descending order is 7 comma 3. Now I have to already store the minimum value of 2 array. So minimum of 2 array is 1. Now I have to traverse list A and list B, and one more important part, list A and list B size always equal. So I have to traverse list A and list B and compare ith value, then 1 comma 7. So this 1 compare with 7, and that find the minimum value is 1. And this 1 is equal to this minimum. So no need to be do any operation, and directly add this minimum of 1 and 7. So cost is 0 plus 1. Now I have to move to the next ith element. 6 and 3, minimum is 3, but not equal to, then what to do? I already told, if not to do, so then I have to do 2-time operation, because first one convert 7 with 7, and then then this one 7 with 6. So they take a 2-time operation. So I have to multiply by 2 into min, that is 2 into 1, that is 2 comma minimum of 6 or 3 3, and in both this minimum of 2 or 3 I directly add in the cost, and minimum is 2, that is at 3, and after this operation I have to find the exact minimum cost of each operation, and for making a sequence identical. This is my approach. Now I have to also see my code and submit my code by using explain this code. Firstly, I have to take 2 array and make a map, final map, and map A and minimum element of peak element. And array B same with map and map B. If both map are equal, then I have to return 0. If I have to any key value is not equal to 0, modulus 2 yani net, that is odd, so I have to return -1, even, or so I have to use array A and make a map B by removing -1. I have to add occurrence, I have to delete occurrence. Same array B with map A, delete occurrence. So this array converted my logic according to this phenomena. Anyway, you have to find. Now I have to make 2 lists, and 2 lists I have to divide the key by 2, and this value greater than 0, then I have to add all the key many times, written many times. So I have to use while loop and same this, and after the color sort the first array and sort the reverse array of list B, and apply the same minimum cost formula. Minimum of 1 and minimum of ith element of A and B is minimum, and this minimum and 2 minimum, those are minimum, that is minimum, and totally directly add this minimum cost and return this minimum. I have to see my code with submit this solution. Look, So this is a summation of my all the test is passed. Thank you and have a nice day.